present digital online age, it is very much necessary. A website is a mirror of our library. It is essential as it helps us to reach out to our users, the school children, to teachers, to management, and also to parents. We can put a small tutorial on the website as how to use the library catalog, how to use digital resources, etc. A website is a good marketing tool. We can market our collection, other digital resources, our services, etc. Now, librarians conduct many activities. Most of them go unnoticed and need to be conveyed to the management because management support is very, very necessary. On the website, we can put many, many things. The library news, rules, testimonials given by children who have really benefited from the library. We can provide access to a huge number of open access resources for schools. Many of these have been uploaded on DadiNet website. The website can help the children to prepare the assignments and help them for their home learning. There is a lot of digital course material available, and we can have what is called a user engagement program. Now, what is a user engagement? It refers to how frequently and how long a user interacts with your website. Now, for this program, we can put empowering videos, inspiring books, motivating stories which have morals, values, etc. E-books that can make one happy, can make one laugh. We need some entertainment also, especially for the children. And there is a lot more which can be done. It just depends on our imagination and what access we have to the resources. Thank you. Now I request Sangeeta to please introduce our speaker, Dr. Rajesh Patel.
Yes.
Over to you.
Thank you, madam. Good afternoon, one and all present here. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
It's my privilege to introduce our today's resource person, Dr. Rajesh Patel. He is working as a librarian at Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's GIPCL Academy, Surat. He is very proactive and enthusiastic library professional and has thorough knowledge of library automation with Koha, library digitization with DSpace, MS Office, Internet, Vinsys, Soul, Lipsys, and web designing. He has conducted 2 sessions on web designing and 1 on blog development. He has also published papers in Ayudh Journal. The topic was Application of ICT in Library, its impacts and benefits. Also, another paper was presented in the International Journal of Renewable Energy Exchange. Topic was Impact of ICT on the role of academic library in the digital era. We welcome Dr. Rajesh. Thank you. Over to Dr. Rajesh.
Sir, you are muted, sir. Sir, you are muted. Please unmute yourself so we can hear it. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good evening, one and all present over here. Sri Bharucha Madam, Sangeeta Madam, all the members of ADINET and team member of SIG group and all the participants. it's my honor to be a part of SIG group and working with EDINET team. Today, I feel privileged while sharing my experience as a librarian with you. And I'm sure, I promise you that in the next 1.5 hours, you will get something new. That is my promise from my side. So without wasting time, we will start our session. Okay, we have a small time and we have to go ahead. So we will begin with let's start session. I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. As you know, that today's topic is design your own library website with Google Site, right? As Bharucha madam said, that website or digital service, it's a need of our, we can say. It's in demand, what we can say, if we want to provide e-services, then there should be a platform that we can serve the resources. There should be a platform that we can put our resources and share with our patron user, right, or students, like this. So before we go ahead with a practical session, basic information, we will have a little bit basic information regarding website. Okay, so first we'll see that what is a website. That nowadays I think everyone is well aware about the website, but simply if we can say a place connected to the internet where company, organization, institute or individual put the information, and that can be found on World Wide Web. That simple definition if we can say. Then how it works, right? Because we are going to design a web page, the basic we should know that how it works, which components are there. So it should be important. So how it works, so there is a website simply a collection of web pages and describe the layout, format and content on the page. Suppose website page is there, it is connected with the web server that we can call as a host, and it float on the internet through anyone can that search for the particular information, and then server provide that information, and the viewer, user or another person, they get that way it works. Then main component for the website, for that we can say it's a web hosting, website designing and website publishing, right? We will not go in deep, but basically basic what is the role of this component, that we'll see. So that is first is web host. So whenever we want to develop our website or create a home page, that time one platform should be there, right? So there we can put our information, all the data we can put together, and then we can go ahead. So that is simple way if we can say that the service provider allocate a space on their server, that is called the web hosting or web hosting service provider, right? We can say nowadays we can see that GoDaddy, DreamHost, HostGator, like that many are there. Okay, now next is web designing. Okay, web designing is a little bit complicated task. For that, simply as per our knowledge, we can see that if we want to design a web page, then there should be a knowledge of HTML, then Java, SQL, Python, PHP, like all many things, many type of languages we should know. That was impression, and use of with the use of that language, that coding would be there, and then we can design a web page, that is there. And the next is a website publishing. That for that also we required one domain name, and then through that domain we can publish our website. This is the simple process if you want to publish or design your website. Now, in this website designing, what is the role of Google site? What is Google site? So Google site is a versatile tool that makes creating a website easy. It is structured web page creation tool offered by Google. Structured web page tool are created specific, and that it's a window based. There is no need of having a knowledge of any type of language, just a window based. That earlier we are knowing that DOS was there. That was the command prompt. So that for that, if we want to copy paste any file, then we require the knowledge of command. Now window base is there, only just click and select, and that way we can move. So this is that we can say modified version, that prepared tools are there, and then we can design a website that is there. Okay, and in this one it's a great for collaborative project work as well as embed video, audio, presentation, and different type of documents. Now, why Google site? In the market, many are available there. Now we can see that. Okay, so for that Google site, why? First is it's the extension of Google. So Google is enough for a what we can say faith, authenticity. That is the symbol of we can say Google is a symbol of faith and authenticity. Then that benefits, or we can say that characteristics, that is a customization. So we can customize our site to fit our audience. According to our audience, we can customize the page. Right? Then variety of pages. So we can choose different type of pages, web page, announcement, then file cabinet, table, list, like that we can arrange there. Then information organized, it's allow us to organize all information by our own way. Then one more thing that is best is offline and online. So we can keep our file or our record at one place. Offline record as well as online record also we can keep at one place, right? So now next is include different type of files and documents. So in this one in the website designing or on a web page, we can include image, audio, video, tutorial, PDF, doc, PPT, and many more, whatever available. Even YouTube channel also you can that compile with the photo, or like that linking also we can give in this one. Then collaborate with other, that we can collaborate with other to create and maintain your site. Then suppose more than 2 or 3 person are there, and if they want to edit, so we can share, just like Google Doc, we can give the permission for editing. The same way here also we can share it and anyone can edit. That collaboration also it is there. Then now sharing option. So that is also best option is over here, that we can share our site to particular person, to few of group, or many as we want. If we want to share it openly, that also can be possible, and if we want to that control to particular group, that can be also possible. So that is there. Now elements of the Google site. So normally that we can see in the Google page, even in the web page also we can see that 4 main parts are there, that we can see here. It is a header, then this one is the navigation bar, that it can be possible horizontally as well as vertically also it is possible. Then in main page is the content page, and at last footer would be there. So all these things we will see practically in the page. Okay, then header, what things will be there? Title would be there, then that logo also would be there, then our website name would be there, then that theme and that part we can change in the header. Then navigation bar, that navigation tool will be there. Okay, brand image we can put there. Okay, then customize URL also possible, analytical, announcement banner, all this will come in navigation bar. Then content page, that it's depend totally on your choice and your wish, how you want to arrange your paper, your main page content. That is depend on you, and you have to develop your content page, right? So that is all things are there regarding the our website parts or component basic information. Now we will go for a practical session that we will see the practically. So for that I request you, please keep pen and pencil with you, pen and notepad or paper with you. Wherever you require, just note down, because one by one many things will come to you. So maybe that if you not note down, then maybe you will miss it. So that would be better if you keep pen and paper with you. Okay, so whenever if you want to open Google site, first you have to go to your drive. So this is my drive, and in that drive you can see here new plus button is there. There you have to click out. Okay, in this one you can see the new, if you want to open Google Docs, Sheet, Slide, Form, where, but we want Google site. So here Google site is there. Okay, so when we will click on Google site, that new blank page will open. Can you see the paper blank page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, fine. So shall I continue, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, first of all, this is the document, just like a document how we are using in Google Doc or Word file, Excel file, like that only. So that this would be a end title. We have to give the title of that particular document, which will be going to save in our drive. So here I would like to clear that earlier we have seen that hosting, web hosting. So for web hosting, that Google is going to use, Google site is going to use our drive. In a drive we are getting 15 GB space. That would be our host, and all the data we are going to keep in our Google Drive. So this file also of our Google site, that also would be in our drive. So here we will give our file name, document name, so that you can give any which you wish. Suppose I am giving e-library. Right now this one would be enter site name. Here this one would be your site name. So this one is going to appear in your web page. So that you have to think which name you have to give. As per your convenience, accordingly you can decide and write. Here I am keeping e-library, or you can keep virtual library, like that you can, no problem. Okay, then next is add logo. Here we'll click, then add logo. Here logo is there. See, now the next option is upload. Upload means that logo is in your PC computer, then you have to upload it, and whether it is in your Google Drive, then you have to select. Everywhere the same option you will find, upload and select. If you want to upload anything from the computer, then you have to upload it, and if you want to select anything from the drive, then you have to choose select. So I have prepared all the logos, photos, whatever requirements are there, props, I have already prepared in my drive. So I will use that one. So drive, here you can see I will use this logo. And one more thing, while you are selecting the logo or putting it there, so don't copy from the Google and just image, don't download the image and use it for your website, because your website is going to publish worldwide. Okay, so there would be a copyright problem, you may be right. So better you develop by yourself, right? And for that I suggest you that one best tool is that Canva, CANVA. Canva is best designing tool, that you can design your logo, card, and pamphlet, many things that will help you a lot. Then another favicon, that means favorite icon. You can see here in my drive, this triangle icon is there, right? You are meeting that square, or that one is there. Rediff, you can say R is there. So here also, whenever our page will be published, that time it will be appear over here. So that also you can select and upload. So from here also, that favicon, favorite icon, that also we will select and paste it over here. This is favicon. This one also I have developed through the Canva tool. So here that part is finished. Now here you can see this one is our website name, okay, and our logo. Logo, suppose I thought I was going to give name of my brand. That's why I prepared logo like that. Okay, now this one will be our title page. If you want to give any title, you can give, otherwise you can delete it. Right now this one, we many times we can see that in the other pages here that photos we appear of that particular institute or like that. So that image we can put from here, change image, then upload and select. Again it is there, we will select the image. So we will go to the drive, and there image also, simply the library image don't download from the Google. Okay, for that also you have to check it should be copyright free image, right? That would be better. Here you can see I have prepared many images. I'm taking my school image here. That would be good. Yes, now you can see our background picture or home page, that picture is appeared over there. Right now this part is finished. Now next we'll see that some information should be there related to our that school or our website, the purpose of the website, that should be there. So for that we require text. So for that text we will use this one. Right side you can see the tools are there, insert, pages, and theme. Okay, so first we will use the text box. So just click over there and text box will be there. Here you can type text which you want. Okay, so I have prepared things, so just we will copy and paste here. So this is our information bar, and if that same as in the Word file, how we are formatting the text, the same here you can see the toolbar for the formatting. Suppose underline or italic we can do, bold also. That font size if we want to increase, that can be also possible. Okay, then if we required it in center, then font color also, we can change the font color also. Okay, like this way it can be. It's up to you what you want to do. Just use of text box I show you. Now next part is we will insert a pages. In the site we can see that many pages are there, right? One or another page. So that page how to insert. So here you can see insert, and the next is pages, right? There you have to click page, right? And that you can see that one plus is there here, the new page. Okay, so there you have to click over there, and then we will add the page. So suppose first page I'm doing kids corner. Then done. That kids corner, see you can see here the best thing about it, how many pages you will add. So automatically all the settings you have did in the main home page, that will take that background image and all the same, it will be appear in all the pages. And here you can say the home page as well as which we have add over here, that is kids corner. Now next we will add the teachers corner. Done. Next, one more library tool. We are going to add here 4 pages. Next, suppose newspaper and magazine. See, now here you can see 4 pages are added, and here also. Now you can see this is our navigation bar here, right? Home, kids corner, teachers resource, and more. It is visible, right? So it is, see, it's difficult to read out all these things, right? So there is also one option is there. From here also we can edit logo, go there, okay? Then navigation, here you can see it's a transparent. That's why the background image is showing and it's a transparent. So from here you can change the mode. You can put it side also and top also, and then color white and black also it is available, and a transparent. So which you like, you can use it. Suppose I am putting here black. In fact, you can see here this navigation bar, and black is there. Whenever we keep our cursor over there, then another 2 pages are also appear, right? Yes. Now we will come to our home page. Home page, here also it's looking, see, blank, the text is looking. If we want to give here a background, so that is also can be possible. See, selection background. Here you can select an image also. You can, if you have in computer or in drive, you can select. Ready-made background also it is available. You can choose by yourself or on way. Suppose I'm selecting it. Now you can see the background effect. That is here one. You can see here this image. Little bit dark and the lighter option is there. See, it's changing. It is here. You will click over there. Then appearance will be changed little bit. Shading we can see according to the text and the image change. Next, now we will add the one banner, announcement banner like that. So for that also we required a text box. So again we are inserting it. Okay. Now I would like to add there library at your doorsteps. Yes. Here also we will give the background. The same we are giving, so it will be a part of, it will look like a all both things are together, like both part, but we are giving background, so it will be look like a that in a same part. Okay. Now next step is the which pages we have prepared. Okay, directly we will not go that click over here and we will go to that page, but for that we required over here that few button or something link should be there, so directly we can jump to the particular page, right? So for that we require small button, right, of that particular page, and then we will jump to that particular page. So for that, you can see in the insert menu that button is there. You have to just click over there and the button. Okay, you have to give the name. That first was corner, and the link you have to give. So that page we have developed, that you have to select from here and the insert. you can see that Kids Corner button is there. Okay, and then it is linked to that page. Same way, we will make all 4 buttons for that all 4 pages. Second one was library tool. And one more, that was newspaper. Then we will link it with that newspaper page. See, here all 4 buttons are there. Now this button you can just drag and drop. How we are doing in Word or Excel file, that from one folder to another folder, like that way you can drag and drop. And then you can stretch it also as per your convenience. I have prepared 4 because this is the space for particular 4. Equal space it will be there, right? Now here you can see, suppose, okay. Now next part we will see that in this particular page, if we want to work, whenever, see here once you can see preview, how your page will look like. So from here you can see the preview. See, this way our page will be appeared whenever it will be published, right? So till here we have worked. Suppose I'm click over here, that Kids Corner, then Kids Corner page will reappear. Then we will go back, okay, and then again that our home page will be there, okay. We are at our home page. Now we have prepared the different pages. Now we will work on that page. Now we have came out from the preview, okay. So now if you want to work on Kids Corner, so click over there. Now that page open, okay. And in Kids Corner we want to put some image, and under that image we want to link our video or our audio file, like that, right? So that we want to do. So suppose we will take here, see layouts are there, one photo would be there, description bar also that you can use, right? Here 2 photo, 3 photo, like this many layouts are there, okay. And simply if you want one placeholder like this page picture, if you want simple, then one placeholder you can use, okay. Suppose I am taking this 4, so these 4 that placeholders are there, and then we can use that to fix our picture or image over there, and then we can link it. So here we will do one picture, and then we will link it. Here also select image, one story is there, and that for story audio video is there, that we will link up in my drive. This story is there. I have prepared the picture of that one. From here you can crop and uncrop also can be possible, and after that you can minimize that as per your requirement. If you want to fix 4 pages, 6 pages, 8 pages, that can be also possible. Now picture is there, so if you want to write about the story name or something, you can use it. Otherwise picture is there, so there is no need of text, so I'm removing it, like that you can remove it. Then here we can link up our audio or video file also, as well as our PDF file, Word file, doc file, right, that we can link up here. So this one For that we require the URL. Okay, so for linking we required URL, so we have to copy URL. So for that we have to open that file particular, right? So once you have to open one Google Doc, and in that one file, then open this. Open you have to do, you can see document file, then you have to select all type files, then all type files will be appeared, and then you just select this is video is there, so that you have to open. So this video is open from your drive, right? And the drive we have to copy this URL, but simply you can't copy and paste, right? If you will copy and paste, then the link will not work. For that you have to give the permission to the viewers, can do this, right? So sharing is there, we have to share it. Here it is already said, change it. Okay, whenever you will open the file, that time it will be look like this. See, share, then you have to change it. Okay, anyone with the link, okay, can view it. Then you have to, okay, here editor is there, here you have to do viewers. Okay, so anyone with the link can view it. Okay, now done it is. Then you have to copy the URL, then we will go to our page, and here you can see insert link, there you have to paste, then apply. So this one is, now you can see this one is that link up. Okay, if we want to check it, then we will go to again preview. Then here, if whenever you will click there, then that file will open and start to play, that we can play it. That is video, so it will take time for loading, 8 minutes. So that this way we can link up. Okay, so now we will go ahead with another linking. Okay, now this kids corner we have link up the video. Now we will work on teachers corner. So in teachers corner we want to add a particular book on its a PDF format. Cover page would be there, and then in background we want to attach or link up the PDF, right? So for that also I will come out from the preview. If you change this background of this one, you can change from here, change image. Okay, but we are keeping the same. Okay, and again this we will use this 4. Then here again we will insert the picture, select image, in the drive you can see, okay, teachers resource, this page is there, that I'm going to insert. Yes, now for this picture, if anyone will click, and that PDF file should open. So here again we will go to this one, this we will close, and again this file is there, Google Doc, then open, then all files. In all file you can see this is the PDF file of that. So that PDF file open, it is already that I have done share option also updated. Otherwise you have to go that 3 button, then share, and then you have to change to anyone with link. Like that you have to change. So it's changed. Okay, see here viewers are there, so anyone with this link, they can view the file. Okay, now from here also you can copy the link, and then otherwise you can copy this URL also. Control C, and then at the our page, then again we will paste over there and apply. So it is link up, right? Okay, now that is finished. This one also we will check out. So we will see the preview. Okay, and in this one, if you will click, then that PDF file will be open. So anyone on the net, whenever they will click over there, so directly from our Google Drive, this file will can open, and then they can refer like that. Okay, and one more thing I would like to tell here, that use this picture or that one. This is, you can see, this is from the CBSE, that is free one. That's why I used over here. Otherwise, simply from the Google, from the this drive, है that books
PDF
are
drive.
many books are free on the net, that PDF drive. So from there you can just download. You can't do it and keep it on your drive and the link up with the picture. That is not authenticity. It's you are violence the this copyright. So we have to take care the Copyright Act also. Directly we can't put it publicly, right? Because this we are going to make a web page. It will be a going to publicly. Anyone can see this our page. Then we can't do it. As a, at least as a library professional, we should not do it, right? Okay, now Teachers Corner also done. Now we will do something on a this one, newspaper and magazine. Okay, so here newspaper and magazine, still I have observed the many we are that sharing the PDF file of newspaper. That is also many times we have seen, right? Here also you can see that, but that also should not be shared. We can provide the link of particular page, that we have to take care. So here we will, okay, here you can see newspaper spelling is wrong. Now if you want to edit, then see here afterwards also you can edit, right? That is also is there. Okay, now here we are going to give the link, not the going to download the PDF file and then provide the page. That we are not going to do, right? So link, so that for that we will require the text box. So here we will give the headings. Newspaper, right? So this one, it will be a little bit bigger one, and bold we will do, because this one will be a title, and under that we will put another magazines and newspaper. We will link up over there. Okay, that both can be a color also we will change. Okay, so under that newspaper, that we can put the India, right? Okay, these two we are keeping, and for that also we will give that dot or this you can, okay, like this. And under the magazine also, suppose we are giving a down to earth, okay. Then one more Champak is there. Like that way, as per choice, which you want to add, that you can add. Okay, now we will give the link of Times of India here. You have to select this part, okay, and then link option, it is there. So there we have to link. Then here you can see the text is Times of India and link we have to provide. So for that you have to go to the Google, type the Google Times of India and then find that it's on website, and then you can post their URL there. I have already prepared it. Okay, so this is the Times of India link. So I will just copy it and we will paste over there and apply. So this is applied. Same here also for Champak, I have prepared the link. So we will copy from there, Champak magazine, then link, apply. See here, this Rajasthan Patrika and Down to Earth is not blue one, and this color is changed. Okay, so now we will see how the link is work. So again we will see the preview. Whenever you made any changes, then you just go to the preview and check it whether it is working or not. So here you can see here no reaction is there, and here thumb is coming. So whenever we click over here, that it's our site will redirect us to that on original site of the Times of India. So here we are not breaking any copyright rule. So linking we can provide, that we have to keep it in our mind. Again, this one also, magazine also, it is we are just redirect our user to that particular site. So we are just showing them way where they have to go. That is our duty. That way we are working. Okay, so this magazine also, here suppose we want to change the background, this newspaper, and this I have downloaded, and I have downloaded it is from site. Copyright free pages are also that pictures are also available, right? You can use it for that. I show you that site name is, because this is buffer.com library fee images. So if you will go through it, then 24 sites are given there with copyright free images of 24 sites are there if you will go through it. Okay, now image we will select. I have downloaded this image from there, so there would be no copyright issue. Here you can change the color of the font. Right, so we have seen that giving the link of the video or audio file, then PDF file, and the direct website link. That three part we have seen. Now again we will come to our home page. Okay, now at our home page we can see this much work we have done. Here now we will do something. Here background also we will give afterwards. Now here we will give the this government portals icon, and then whenever we will click over there, then we will jump to that particular government portal, government educational portal, right? For that, we are going to add these folders. Here you can see now that text part we don't want, so that I am removing from everyone, because when we are giving the picture, so there is no need. One picture is for 100 words, right? So instead of writing 100 words, if you will keep one picture, that would be better. So from here I'm selecting image, because all the things I have kept ready. Okay, something fun. Hello, my audio is audible there?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, but screen that something is
Blinking, sir.
yes. Yes. Now it is coming properly.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Google Drive, right? Yes. Now we will select the image for that we were talking about the government portal. See here, these are suppose NDLI. We are inserting from here. Same way, another 4 also we will insert. Apps. ePathshala. Then Diksha portal. All these are government portal and it's free, so you can use their link or logo or picture. There is no problem. Okay, from here we will do the uncrop, so full logo will be there. See, okay, this way we will uncrop it. Now we want that whenever we will click over, then we will jump to the NDLI library site, right? So for that, here link is there, insert link, and the link we have to open in the URL library, and then we have to copy the URL. Okay, so for that I have already prepared. See, all these things I have made prepared, so we can save our time. So NDLI, this is just a copy of the URL, which site you want to insert over there, nothing else. Okay, that is done. Now OLAPS, again that OLAPS link, see, then ePathshala, then Diksha. Okay, we have applied link to all 4 images. Now we will see how it works. So after doing some work, you have to recheck whether it is properly working or not. Now here on the image, that whenever we will click, that it will redirect to that particular site. Here you can see the school site or school part of the this one NDLI library. Then ePathshala you can see. Okay, same way, or all these 4 are working there. Okay, now we will give, see here that background also we have given. First we will come out from that preview version. See, many times you can see here that pictures not came, so you have to wait, otherwise you have to refresh it, reload current page. Due to the traffic on the net or technical problem, that it's happened sometimes. Then page will reload. Now you can see all the pictures, right? Now here we will give the background. So now for the background also, one more thing it is there, you can use the GIF file, and in WhatsApp or somewhere we are using, send the GIF, so it should like look like a live. That also can be possible. So for that also I have downloaded this one, so that also we can use. See, like this way it will be live, looks like live. So here also we will use. See this part altogether. Okay, now next we are going to see the external links. That particular service we are providing, English dictionary, Hindi dictionary, or World Atlas, Encyclopedia Britannica, like that, है ना? So that external link how we have to insert. So for that also we will use the button or list we can use, right? So for that we will use the button. Okay, first we'll use button, that is Encyclopedia of Britannica. Now link. So I have already prepared all the things. See, next is Encyclopedia of Britannica. Same way how earlier we pasted there, we will insert there. Encyclopedia of Britannica. See, it's a long one. So now earlier we have pasted 4 button. Now here we will use 3 button. Okay. Next we will use English dictionary. Link already it is ready. Control C and we will paste over there. Okay, another is Hindi dictionary. Link we will copy from there. Hindi dictionary. Insert. We are going to add 6 button. Okay, now next audiobook is there. Okay, now next is World Atlas. Now I'm not copying World Atlas link. You know that how to do. Just I'm pasting that which I have copied already. So we can move ahead. Then if you have study material like that, that also you can provide the link. If you have page, then page you can. So I'm putting the audiobook link here only, right? Now here you can see the 6 are there. Okay, now you can drop and drag and drop there. That way, earlier which way we have done, the same way we'll do. Drag it, stretch it, and it will be fixed. Okay, now this one we have to attach with here. See, will attach over here, then this one will be attached here. See, that's why I have prepared 6, so it will be arranged properly, right? Here also if we wish to give, suppose first we will check the preview. So we have provided to inside of Britannica. It's a Britannica page, home page, right? Same way English dictionary and the audiobook also we will go check it. It's a free audiobook website. 1000 of free books are over there. Okay, so that way whatever you would like to insert, you can use the resources and give the link. Okay, so here we are doing the compilation work and we are giving that information service to our user. So this is also we are compiling all the things, we are keeping all together and giving to them. So they should not move here and there for particular information related to library. That we are doing here, nothing else. Okay, we are not that breaking any rule or like that, because we just giving the linking. So there is no problem. Here also we can give the background if you wish. Okay. Another type also GIF I have prepared, so that we will give here. Okay, this part is our finish. Now in many a site we can see the feedback form. So suppose users wants to gives feedback, some related to our site or suggest or query, so here we will give the feedback button. So feedback, I have used our Google form, and that how you want that questions or that field you required. Okay, that way you can prepare your Google form and then we can link it. So Google form link is there. I have prepared the Google form link. Then we will paste, apply. Feedback, it is there. Right. This one also will put the same image. So this part, now you can see this part is from same category, this is also, and the third part, this is our content page. Now earlier we have seen header, then navigation bar, this one header, navigation bar, this is content page. Now we will come to our footnote. Many times we can see it, copyright page or some discrimination they are putting over there, right? Here also we can put, suppose we will write okay, this way you can put anything in the footer. Okay, now most probably all the parts we have covered over here. Okay, now we will see the how our site is looks. See, this way our page will be look, all the information we can see, and all the tools, all the menu you can use in the particular page also, in the kids corner also, teachers corner, or you may add over there, that all the that tools you can apply in the page also, a home page as well as inside also you can use it. Okay, now main part, we have most probably all the features covered, and main part is publishing our website, right? That host, earlier we seen three components were there. So host is our Google and Google Drive, and Google is giving the host, and that storage it's provide as a Google Drive, 15 GB what we are having, right? And then second part was web designing, that Google site is providing the web designing, how we have to design it, right? And the third part is publishing. So for that publishing, generally we require the domain name. Okay, but here that is also free. For domain name we have to pay. If you want to customize your domain name, then you have to pay for it. Okay, but here we are not going for the subscribe or the pay for the domain, free we will use. So for that we have to publish a site, and then we have to decide it, which we would like to have. So for here you can see the option publish. Okay, here see, you can see that this way name is appear because I have given here my book hunt. Okay, so that if you want to use, otherwise you may change. Okay, my books hunt I'm taking. Suppose if it is available, see here you can see it is available, right? And my book hunt is not available. I know that because I am using it. So see, it is taken by already taken. So book hunt is taken, but books hunt is not taken. So it is available and you can publish it. Now our site is published, right? From the home you can see and how you can, now our site is published, then you can check from here. See that copy publish site link, here link is there. Okay, here you can see site google.com view, and then your page is there, my books hunt /home. That is our that URL. Okay, then from here we will copy it. Okay, then we have to check it, it is published, right? So that we will check how it's look. Okay, that I'm just pasting it in our chat, then you may go through it whether it is working or not, right? Okay, so again we will, you just go with it. Okay, we will come back again to our page. Okay, this is our library. Now this was your basic parameter and basic things. Okay, so now we will see some another features. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Not yet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, now we are going to add few features. This was the basic thing. Okay, you can develop accordingly, and because we also think that my site should look that attractive or something like that, so that also we will see here. So then first we will see that, okay, here whenever we visit few page or website, that 4-5 this picture, they move slide one by one, hai na? So here dot we find 4-5 and that one by one pictures are moving. So that also can be possible here. For that you can see here that this is image cursor, right? That we can use this option. So for that you can see here plus add images, select image, that this image also should be in your drive. Then more than 2 images, at least minimum 2 images should be there, then only it will be work. So 4 or 5 images you have to select and then you have to insert over there. I'm selecting 5 images. See, 5 images I have selected. Okay, and here you can see the setting. Okay, that dot also will show, caption also will be there, and start automatically, auto start. Okay, Then speed also you can maintain from here, very slow, slow and medium. We will keep the medium and then insert it. Okay, see here, this way also you can stretch how much you require. Okay, and that height you can increase or reduce by yourself as per your requirement. See here you can see the dot and the slide moving. Okay, so we will see the preview how it works. See here you can see it is changing automatically, right? So that is one feature. Now we will close the preview. Okay, so that background if you want to use, instead of this you can just drag and drop over there, that way you can use it, right? Okay, and now next that in many sites we can see that running text is there. We can see that running text is there, you are welcome, or something message is passing one side to another side, that can be also possible. So see, for that here one option is that embed. Embed, that means from the outside a small URL code, not URL code, HTML code. If you know the HTML coding little bit, and then you can apply in your site also, that is also there. So it's not big deal, because many ready-made HTML codes also are available on the many website. And for that I suggest you, if you are beginner or if you want to visit the site or want to learn some HTML code, okay, so for that 3wschools.com it is there, 3wschools.com, so that provide the free HTML codes, which today I am going to use, that is from there only. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, this one site is quackkit.com HTML codes, and this w3schools.com, this you can use. And see, this is for running text or announcement banner. Just you have to copy and paste these codes. This is HTML, so that also we can embed with the Google site. Then you have to insert it. You can see the preview. See, now it will be passed like this. If you want to edit the text, this one, then edit code, and here you can see you are welcome to my virtual library. Here you can put your text which you want to move, right? But we are keeping over here same. Then we will put the insert.
Dr. Rajesh, can you please show the web address again for this, for the
Yes,
HTML
sure.
thing?
Yes, see here you can see, if I can copy and paste in this one chat box also, but it is getting disturbed because take time from here and there, so they can note down. Okay, no problem. Okay,
They have noted it.
yes, fine. Okay, so this one also, this space you can reduce it, okay, this much, it's fine. Okay, and we will drag it up to here. So you can see here from this side to that side. If you want to see that, if you want that from here itself, in middle itself, it should be get hide. Now what is happening, from the right side it is starting and left side is getting ending, but we want to get end up it with in the center. Then this one we will bring it to a center. Now you can see the effect. Getting it? So it's up to you how you are using. Okay, this one will be a totally R&D work, research and development. You can apply your knowledge or experiment. You have to do experiment with it and bring something new, right? This is one thing, and one more also it is there, that also we will check. See, again we will use this code embed different types. Okay, one more it is there. See how it is passing. Right, that was a running text, and this is just moving left to right, right to left. That is also can be possible. Many things are available over there. Okay, now next is because 5:25 it's so it's a running time that we will try to wind up. Okay, next we can see over here that we have seen the text box, embed also done, image how to insert that we did, drive done. Okay, that layouts how to use, then with the collapsible text. Okay, so many times we can see, suppose here I will show you the practical this. Okay, here I will write the library. Okay, and then here we will have a description about the library that I will paste over here. Okay, now you can see many times. Suppose whenever you will click over there in the preview, you can see nicely. Right, then full description will appear, then again it will be go out. That way you can use that tool. Okay, then table content also, table, if you want to insert table content in a table way, that can be. Then image cursor that we done, then this button also we use. Now divider, suppose divider, these two texts are there, and if you want to insert divider over here, that horizontal line would be there. See here you can see this is the horizontal line where you want to move, we want to keep it over here. See, this way we can keep. Here if I will use the, then it will be appear good. Okay, this is the divider line. Then placeholder we used. Okay, then YouTube also, YouTube you can insert the YouTube video directly. You just click over there, then YouTube is there. You can search kids stories. Then suppose this story, if you want to insert, then select it, then automatically kids story would be there, right? And then you can play it, or your children can watch it from here, your selective stories. The same way, calendar, map, docs, slides, sheets, all things you can insert over there, right? So now one more thing, if type permit, I can show one more thing, that table insert.
Sure.
Okay, Rajesh. Go ahead.
Yeah, okay, thank you very much. Suppose in a teacher's corner, I'm just showing you how to insert a, which we have not used, this study material we have not used. No, this one, library tool. Yes. So in this one, if we want to insert a table, right? So before, for that we have to prepare our table in a Google Doc, Excel or Word file, right? And for that we are going to use the this one embed code. Suppose I have already prepared a table in a Google Doc. So it's a little bit lengthy process, but if you want to insert the table, that ready-made table I have, okay, so that we will select it. I have prepared in Google Doc. Okay, that which part you want to insert, that much you have to select. Okay, I have selected this part. Then I will go to the file, then download. In that download, I will paste web page HTML. In that format, I will download the table. Yes, okay. Here you can see it is downloaded and open. Now I will extract it. It will extract on desktop. Okay, successfully extracted. I will close this part. Then here you can see the table. Now we have to open it. The table is open. Now here you on the table properties only you have to do the right click. Then after right click you can see the view page source. That page source is here you can see, and from here you have to copy it. So Control C, that we have done, and then again we will go to our page, and that earlier how we did the embed the same way. Here embed code, and that HTML code we copied, that we will paste over here, and then we will do the next. Okay, then insert that. Our table will be inserted in this one. So from Excel or Word directly or Google Doc we can insert the table. Right? So this way you can insert the table. Yes. And last one thing is remain from my side. It is the nowadays you can see that visitor counter, that also possible. I have just recently worked out on it. Here if we wish to have a visitor counter, how many visitors have visited our site, that can be also possible. So that we will see. Here I have already that programmed the ready-made visitor counter. The script is there. Okay, Control C, and then same way that how we have embed things. Here we will embed it will be Control V, and then next. See, visitor counter 3 are there. So automatically it will be increase. Whenever the visitor will visit our site, it will show. See, now I have put the link of our site now, so many are visiting at right now. So it will be get increased one by one, and the full that analysis also we can see there. Okay, so this was all the things was from my side. Now quickly we will see this one. All this part we have seen, pages also, that how to insert the pages and how to do that we got. Okay, and in
Yes,
the pages,
just a minute, sir. Yeah, there was one question, how to insert pages. So you can just brief a little more for it.
yeah. Okay, so here you can see at the right side that insert pages and theme is there. So in that one pages, okay, here plus button is there, and whenever your cursor will go there, it will show new page. So here whenever you click, the new place option will be there. There you have to give the title. Okay, all these 4 pages are there. We can see that 4 on the that menu bar, right? So if you don't want this one, suppose newspaper and magazine you don't want to show there on navigation bar, so here 3 buttons are there. Click over there, okay, and hide from the navigation. So now you can't see that newspaper and magazine on navigation bar. It is hide from there, right? So that is also finished. Now page 1. Now theme. We will come to the theme. So for that theme we can see here, so many themes are given, so you can select anyone. Okay, accordingly it will get changed. Theme which you will select, see here this line was there. Now if I select this one, so here line colored also will be changed, right? And the font side also you can change from here. This green you can see, red you can see, here also that font color, and that can be possible. So theme, it is there, little bit work it would be, okay. And then publishing here. So publishing also, whenever, one more thing, whenever you made any changes in your site, then you have to publish it. Then only it will be appear to the particular person. Otherwise the changes would be in your drive itself, it will not get published, right? Then we will come to the setting. Here also I told you in the earlier that we can collaborate with more than one or two or three. So from here we can add the user, those who can edit. As an editor we can add them, right? Here you can provide the access to particular person. You have to enter the email ID and you can set the link, okay. So, and now setting navigation bar, we have seen that brand image, also that logo, and that we see that viewer tools, okay, that we don't want to see here. Then custom domain. From here, if you have your customized domain, right, that means suppose I have mybookhunt.com, right? So if you have purchased, then from here you can link up your domain. Then analytical, that analytical part also, that no need to see that how visitors came, that for advertisement and all things, that is. Then announcement banner. So announcement banner, that is in the front line it would be appear, announcement banner. Suppose if you want to write this line, if you want to write in front of your page, that you can see here, I just, okay, done. See on the top of, see, nothing is presenter, that just we have added over here. This is announcement, that can be also possible. So setting all things, link, preview, undo, redo, okay. This is our document title and the setting. So all the parts I have completed from my side, okay. So I would say that's all from my side. Thank you very much to all for your presence, and I appreciate, really appreciate your dedication and disciplined effort and cooperation throughout the session. I hope that today's session would help in uplifting your professional skill. Thank you once again, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Rajesh. Thank you. Such a clear,
Thank you very much, sir.
and detailed
I just
explanation
stop my sharing.
of a website design. Now we will upload this entire presentation on the RDNet website. I urge all who are interested to please try it out and let us know if you have any queries. We will try and answer them. If there are too many queries, maybe we can have a small session again. But we want to form a small support group for those who have any issues in face any problems in designing their website. And Rajesh or Bhavesh, could either of you let me know if there are any tutorials available for website design? Yours, of course, is one good tutorial. If there are any other tutorials available, it would also help.
Yeah, if they will go through the YouTube channel.
Just a minute, sis. Sorry to bother in between. Please stop sharing so that you know. Can you please stop sharing? Share screen.
Share my screen
Yes,
shared.
yes.
Yeah, because it is on. I mean, the screen is showing for the meeting.
Yes,
meeting. So
yes,
maybe
sure.
you can show the
Yeah, thank you.
I think that is better.
Stop. Now stop,
Yeah,
right?
Yeah. Okay. Sir, there were some questions lined up. So as such, we do not have much time because it was till 5:30. But if we can pick up some one or two questions, that would be great. One of them was that can we have a chat box interactive session with the students in this? Is that possible? Would you like to answer that?
Anupa, I also asked, and I would appreciate if you would answer that, if there are any tutorials available.
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
Yes, for the tutorial, they can refer YouTube. There will be a lot of videos are available.
Okay.
But for they have to that go through many videos, because for particular that query, they have to find out the proper that video. That would be that pain they have to take.
Okay.
Sir, can we get the, excuse me, sir, can we get the video recording of this session?
It will be uploaded on the ADINET website.
Okay, okay, thank you, ma'am.
So one doubt, sir. The pages, while adding the pages, it is sticking together. What can we do for that, sir? If we are adding more and more things to the pages, it is sticking together. When we moving things.
Where sticking together?
So we are uploading 2 or 3 photos in a page. While moving
Yes.
it is coming together. So this is
That that placeholder which you are using, that from there you have to just drag and drop. And how in the Paint or that Word we are just click over that, we pick up that picture and then moving somewhere else, that on that placeholder you have to paste there. Hold it and place where you want.
Sir, I have one question, sir. Rajesh sir, I have one question. Sir, like we have Blogger and WordPress available also. So how this Google site is different than WordPress and Blogger?
Because WordPress and Blogger is fine. Blogger is particular for the blogging. Okay, which features are available in the Blogger that may be not available in the Google site, and the which are available in Google site that can't be possible in Blogger also.
Sure, sir. But which one you recommend more, Google site or you recommend the WordPress?
WordPress is a just platform, right? For that you have to purchase or that subscribe that hosting and the domain also.
Right, sir.
The free one. But hosting, web designing, and publishing, all three things you will not get free over there.
Absolutely, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
And I also want to add, it's a very easy to create the website in this Google site. I have also created and it is very easy. You know, one by one step, it's very clear. One will you
yes.
Start creating the website, it will be very clear to you. It's very
okay. Thank.
I have already created, but today from the Dr. Rajesh session, I learned many new things. Thank you, Dr.
Yes, absolutely. And sir, it will be all free when we are publishing it.
Hello,
Rajesh, sir?
I have one question.
Sorry, one by one, please.
Rajesh sir, it will be all free when we are publishing it. No money will be taken as a fee or for the domain.
Nothing. You don't have to pay anything. I have pasted that site now. That now that link you can circulate to many people as you want.
Okay.
So that link just for if we are preparing for our school, then we have to share that link to our student so they can access.
Okay, fine enough, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Sir, like other websites, there are fixed number of visitors. So what will be in case of this?
Sorry, I'm not getting what.
Miss, how many visitors can visit this site at the same time?
There is no restriction. How that you can see that Google or there another site also many we are visiting NDLI and other sites. There is no limitation.
Okay, sir. Actually, in different cases, like we are filling up forms, and because of a lot of visitors, the website got crashed. So in that case, I am asking about that.
Sometime it's happened, but here we are not thinking that much rush would be there. I think so.
Okay.
I have not faced still any problem.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So you have taken the link from the Loyal Mongoose. Will it give any problems, sir? Because copyright and all these issues will be there. So just you have taken the link for this video.
Yeah, that video, it is already mine video. I have prepared. I will show you. That is developed by me only.
Okay.
That is mine video. So that's why I used it.
Okay, okay.
Great, sir.
Sir, you are a genius.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
You can be. You also can be.
Yes, we have to try.
Sir, there are some questions. I'll have to, if you could just listen to them. I mean, answer them. There's a question that can we select any book image from PDF drive where free ebooks are available without copywriting, without violating copyright issues?
Right. So
I mean, can we do that? The image we can take it from pdfdrive.net.
no. We can't do it. Image or a PDF file, we can't do it. Just we can't copy it from there and we can't paste in our drive. That not permissible.
No, I suppose that she's asking, Charu Taneja, she's asking that PDF drive. So that means she's talking about the book image on the PDF drive
Book
website.
image also. Book image also, that would be a copyright. So for that, I also suggest that site na. So that site would be better. That copyright free images. You just type Google copyright free images.
Sir, I have one question. Like Project Gutenberg is there. If we take a picture from there and give the link below that, will that be fine or will it come under the copyright issue?
Gutenberg, that is fine. Link you have to provide.
Yeah, but can we take the image, copy the image and put it on our website?
Another question would be there that we are using from that Gutenberg, because Gutenberg project has that they have their policy and they have collaborate with particular licenses or all the things they have. Okay, so they have did all that formalities. Then how we can use?
Okay, but they have released it now that it's free, like archive and Internet Archive and Gutenberg. They both are free. So like I've seen many of the Kendriya Vidyalayas, they have taken the picture and given the link below that. So can we do that?
I saw that many are that floating virtual library, and library for January, library for February, like that, or library for the Christmas, and that way they are doing. But it is what I feel that is not permittable. There still copyright is there, because anyway we are sharing the particular PDF file like that, so we should not do it. At least as a library professional, we have to follow some ethics. I think so.
Absolutely. Sir, one day please have one workshop on copyright also, because it's so confusing these days that, you know, what can we take and what we cannot take. It is becoming very, very difficult.
Sure. That also will be there. And now SIG group and Edinet now ready.
Okay, thank you so much.
Sir,
Right.
can we give
just a minute,
login
just a
ID
minute.
and the password to the students so they can access books or study material from a library website?
Yeah,
And
that
how can we put our study material on the website?
study material, if it is your old question paper, project, right? Or
Yes, sir.
something is there, so that you can put it on your site. So then I think no need if anyone other school students will use, then also what is the problem?
Yes, it's okay, sir.
That locking system also good solution.
No, sir, actually, like in our university, like Central University of Gujarat, if we take for example, then we have given a ID and password for access of our all the available books in e-form. So can we put all the e-books in such kind of website?
Yeah, that you can do, because I also earlier that I had talked with Sangeeta madam. That time also I have put the password to my particular books of library. That can we do, because in my site also I have that PDF books from my library, and that I have that is the passworded, and that password only that my students knows that password. So
Okay,
they
sir,
can
thank you.
access that password, because we can give the password to PDF document, right?
Yes, sir.
We can use that. We can apply. It's up to you how we have to go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. You said copyright free image.
Yes.
There we can get some images, all the images, like whatever we want to upload.
Yes. That for that you can see buffer.com/library/free images. 24 websites are given there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Just I will put that link of that site in the chat box. It is there already.
Thank you, sir.
No, there was too many questions on recording. Everyone wanted the video, so that's the reason I put the Edinet website.
That would be better
in the chat box.
Yes.
So please go to that, and you can get the website in a few days.
Yeah. That free images website, I have just put the address on the chat box. 20 sites are given there.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So do we need to publish it every time after editing?
Yes, it's necessary. It's compulsory. Then only effect will be reflect to your user.
Okay, thank you, sir.
The last one, sir. Can we have an interactive session, a chat box on the website? One of them had asked for it. Is this possible?
Yes, if Edinet, Sangeeta madam, and
No.
It's something
I'm talking
else.
about our
Something
website.
else.
The website which we made right now, right? Which you created for the library.
Right.
So on that for our library students, can we have an interactive session? Ask a librarian जैसा होता है ना sir?
So for their students they want. As a student.
हाँ मतलब हमने जैसे वेबसाइट बनाई तो उसके ऊपर हम क्या एक चैट बॉक्स कर सकते हैं वो पूछ रहे हैं.
Chat box, yes, that we given the feedback.
Feedback, okay.
Yes. So that they can comment their views or ideas if they want something. So that way they can.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Edinet. Thank you, Rajesh sir. Thank you, all the organizers. One thing more was there, ma'am. Like we have more sessions upcoming. Then can these be intimated? Now you have our emails also. Some platform can be there so that we can interact with Rajesh sir and many more genius on your platform, and can come to know that what all is can we update in our libraries and of course in digital library also.
We can inform you, but it would be better if you could become a member of Edinet. Then you will get all the notifications, all the publications, all the information.
Wonderful, ma'am. We can do that.
That would be great.
Now let's over to Anshula madam.
Anshula, yes, Anshula.
Yes, thank you, Sangeeta ma'am. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks. On behalf of Edinet, I extend a very hearty thanks to Mr. Rajesh to share this wonderful knowledge with us. The way he explained the topic is exemplary. It was very informative session and gave us deep insights into the topic. I'm sure our fellow librarians have benefited and will develop their own library site and will be able to showcase their efforts. I am very grateful to Dora ma'am, Sangeeta ma'am and team Edinet to organize such session that is on such a useful topic. A big thank to Rapid Radio team for helping us to conduct the webinar on WebEx platform and share the link with us. Rapid Radio Solutions is RFID manufacturer and solution provider to make RFID library system in India. They have 4 support centers across the India, and luckily one is in Ahmedabad. I thank from my core of hearts to Anubha and all concerned persons who really worked hard to make this webinar successful. Last but not the least, I thank you to all participants present here and paying your attention and learning to us. And without your attention and participation, this webinar was not possible. So I just ended my speech here and thank you to all once again.
Thank you, Anshula. Thank you so much. Maybe we should close the session now?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. Okay, we look forward to meeting all of you again when we arrange another program. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, everyone.
Okay,
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you,
goodbye
everyone.
and God
Thank you,
bless
ma'am.
all of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Dr.
Thank you.
Madam, I start recording.
Yes.